Hari ini, kita akan mendengarkan cerita dari seorang perawat. Ini saatnya berlatih listening dan speaking Anda.
3, 2, 1. Ruang Belayar Inggris.
My day as a nurse. Hello, dear. My name is Rain. I'm a registered nurse working in a public hospital. Today, let me tell you about my day as a nurse. I wake up early in the morning, feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. As a nurse, I know that every day will be different. And I love the challenge of caring for my patients. After wearing my proud uniform, I head to the hospital. The smell of disinfectant and the hum of machines greet me as I walk through the doors. I make my way to the nurses' station, where I meet up with my colleagues. We review the patient charts and discuss the day's schedule. I check on my patients, making sure they're comfortable and receiving the care they need. Some are recovering from surgery, while others are dealing with chronic illnesses. I take vital signs, administer medications, and provide wound care. I also educate patients and their families on how to manage their conditions and prevent future health problems. Throughout the day, I work closely with the doctors and other healthcare professionals to ensure that my patients receive the best possible care. We communicate effectively, sharing information and coordinating our efforts to achieve the best outcomes. Despite the demands of the job, I find joy in making a difference in people's lives. Whether it's helping a patient recover from an illness or simply providing emotional support, I know that I'm making a positive impact. As the day comes to a close, I reflect on the challenges and rewards of being a nurse. It's a tough job, but it's also incredibly rewarding. I feel proud to be part of a team that's dedicated to caring for others.
Hari sebagai perawat.
I wake up early in the morning,
Saya bangun pagi-pagi,
feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day.
merasa segar dan siap menghadapi hari.
As a nurse,
Sebagai perawat,
I know that every day will be different,
saya tahu bahwa setiap hari akan berbeda.
and I love the challenge of caring for my patients.
Dan saya suka tantangan merawat pasien saya.
After getting dressed in my proud uniform,
Setelah berpakaian dengan seragam kebanggaan,
I head to the hospital.
saya menuju ke rumah sakit.
The smell of disinfectant and the hum of machines greet me as I walk through the doors.
Bau disinfektan dan suara mesin menyambut saya saat saya berjalan melalui pintu.
I make my way to the nurses' station,
Saya menuju ke tempat perawat,
where I meet up with my colleagues.
di mana saya bertemu dengan rekan-rekan saya.
We review the patient charts and discuss the day's schedule.
Kami meninjau grafik pasien dan membahas jadwal hari itu.
I check on my patients,
Saya memeriksa pasien saya,
making sure they're comfortable and receiving the care they need.
memastikan mereka nyaman dan menerima perawatan yang mereka butuhkan.
Some are recovering from surgery,
Beberapa sedang pulih dari operasi,
while others are dealing with chronic illnesses.
sementara yang lain menghadapi penyakit kronis.
I take vital signs,
Saya mengambil tanda-tanda vital,
administer medications,
memberikan obat,
and provide wound care.
dan melakukan perawatan luka.
I also educate patients and their families on
Saya juga mendidik pasien dan keluarga mereka
how to manage their conditions
tentang cara mengelola kondisi mereka
and prevent future health problems.
dan mencegah masalah kesehatan di masa depan.
Throughout the day,
Sepanjang hari,
I work closely with the doctors and other healthcare professionals.
saya bekerja erat dengan dokter dan profesional kesehatan lainnya
To ensure that my patients receive the best possible care.
untuk memastikan bahwa pasien saya menerima perawatan sebaik mungkin.
We communicate effectively,
Kami berkomunikasi efektif,
sharing information and coordinating our efforts to achieve the best outcomes.
berbagi informasi dan mengkoordinasikan upaya kami untuk mencapai hasil terbaik.
Despite the demands of the job,
Meskipun tuntutan pekerjaan,
I find joy in making a difference in people's lives.
saya menemukan kegembiraan dalam membuat perbedaan di kehidupan orang lain.
Whether it's helping a patient recover from an illness or simply providing emotional support.
Baik itu membantu pasien pulih dari penyakit atau hanya memberikan dukungan emosional.
I know that I'm making a positive impact.
Saya tahu bahwa saya membuat dampak positif.
Like and subscribe if you like this video.